What's going on, guys? It's your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Devereaux Davis, and this is not really unboxing because it's already unboxed. This was a Valentines Day gift I got from my sweetheart, and pretty much it's a wallet from the company called Muradin, and it's a RFID slash NFC blocking wallet. I already have one from Case Key. And it's all kind of like the ones that everybody's getting now. My one from Case Key, I'll show you real quick. It's right here. It's basically something that you just kind of like slip the cards in. I had cards in there, I took them out, and it has a money clip on the back. And it's real simple, it's real clear cut. It's real easy to use. It's not that hard. And I got it on Amazon. It was $27. But my girl got me this one on Amazon also. This is what I told her. One is from company Muradin. This one looks a little bit more classy because it has leather on it. So that's the co-host in the background, Bree and Bro. They're barking at something, but anyway, this one right here is leather, and it folds. You can open it up. You can put your ID in right here. Hold your cards right here, and this is metal right here. And if you look in the back, you can put some cards in the back here also. Or if you want to put your ID back there. And in the front, you can also put your card right here. Important cards that you use on a day-to-day basis that you want to keep going in and out the wallet for. But the thing to this is that you can unscrew this right here, right? You can unscrew that because it comes with screws and a screwdriver. You can screw it, and why would you want to screw it? Not really sure. But I guess you could kind of customize it if you want, because it comes with also a money band right here. You probably mix and match it whichever way you want. But I think the reason why you can unscrew it, because this comes not only in leather, but it comes in different colors also. I see it on Amazon. It came in roughly maybe about 9 different colors that you could choose from. So if you're tired of this, or if the leather is kind of faded or run down a little bit, you go ahead and change this out, and you still carry the part right here that blocks your card from being, your info from being confiscated or taken from a hacker. So this is the age of hacking, where people can take your personal information and use it for their own devices. So the reason why I carry this type of wallet around is because I don't want my information taken, my credit card info, anything like that taken from me. So I definitely carry one of these type of wallets with me at all times. So this is my second one that I have. This one's a little bit more classy, a little bit bigger. I like to feel my wallet, to know it's there, to always not feeling for it and hoping it don't slip out of my pocket. The one, like I said, I had before, the Case Key, a little bit slippery, so I have nothing against it. I really love this wallet. It's also a blocker. The metal helps block your information, but felt a little bit slippery sometimes whenever I'm wearing gym pants, swishy pants. I feel like it'll fall out. This one, with it being leather, looks a little bit more classy, a little bit more sophisticated. This roughly ran about $38. Great thing about that too, also came with this card. So if you have another wallet that you want to use that's not a RFID NFC card, you can put this in there and block it. Like I also have another wallet that I like to use sometimes that's not necessarily a blocking wallet, like my Tommy Hilfiger wallet right here. But what I could do to help block that is put this in there and block, keep it protected the whole time. So this is just a quick thing I wanted to show you. My wallet from Muradin. It's one of these protective wallets out there. It's one of the better ones on the market and one of the better looking ones also. Okay, so it's effective and it's good looking. So this was just a quick video, just to let you know the Muradin wallet is what it is. Peace.